Hi guys, this is your sign not to send that para to that guy you like just because of his looks. So a guy you like because of his looks is also gonna like you because of your looks. If he thinks that you're hot, sexy, then he's gonna find someone hotter and sexier. But you know what's the difference between that girl and you? You are desperate and she is detached. She does not care, but you care a lot because you like that guy and now you're attached. If you send that para to that guy, he does not care. He literally does not care because he only care about your looks. He does not care about what you think, about what you feel, and how his words or actions make you feel. Okay, he does not care. So do not send that para to that guy. This is your sign, or maybe this is a warning, because after that a lot of shit comes up. Okay, I like nature because it's beautiful, but I like it more because of how it makes me feel. Because of how it makes me feel, I do not care what it looks like. Of course I do care, but primarily I like it because how it makes me feel, not because how it looks, not because how the clouds move. I care about how it makes me feel peaceful and calm and relaxed. Nature does not keep me awake at night thinking whether it likes me or not, whether it loves me back or not. Nature does not make me feel that way. Okay, so stop liking that guy. Also, the way you find out if someone likes you back or not is the way they make you feel. If you feel like anxious around them, and if at night you think whether they judged you or not, if they thought about what you said 10 times a day or not, they do not care. You are the one who cares, so stop caring. Also, do not send that para. Just do not send that para. That is a warning, not a sign. Because, girl, if you like him only for his looks, he likes you only because of her looks, and he can find another girl in like this. He does not care. Only you care. Do not send that para. He does not deserve you. He does not deserve what he is not that interesting. I find out, okay, not all, but people I've liked only because of their looks, not because how they make me feel, not because what they talk about. They are not interesting. They have nothing to talk about. Like, girl, they have nothing to talk about apart from their gym exercises. That's all. I'm sorry. That was a bit hot, huh? Anyways, do not send that. Bye.